Hey guys, how's it going? How to basically Seatgeek promo codes, top discount codes. So just go ahead to the Seatgeek official website for any ongoing promotions or discount. You can subscribe to Seatgeek's email newsletter to receive exclusive promo codes and discounts, or visit popular promo code websites like Retail Me Not, Honey, or coupons.com and search for Seatgeek to find the latest promo codes and discounts. And you can follow that Seatgeek on social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, where they may post special promotions and discount codes, and look for promo codes shared by influencers or affiliates who often provide discount codes for their followers. And by regularly checking these sources, you can stay updated with the latest and best promo codes for Seatgeek. So let's turn on the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for